Hi guys! So I just want to try to take a part in a challenge that called Draw This in Your Style by Russian artist Mystical Buttons, and I just decided to film a small vlog and show you some process. Also, it's extremely hot today and I hope you will enjoy this video. So this is a sketch that I made and he's looking a bit ugly in my semi-realistic style. I hope he will get better. I will paint him on this cardboard panel. I already covered it with a PVA glue. And I will use this old paper from my childhood to transfer the sketch to the cardboard.